welcome to Fête de la Lumière, and Fête de la Lumière is Festival of Lights, which is the famous of France. So every year we never miss a chance to go to Lyon to visit this Festival of Lights, and it is usually 3 days, so we make sure we go for 2 days and enjoy. So at the Garden of Fine Arts Museum, there was a beautiful ambience where they placed a tent, and in the tent there was a piano and beautiful spectaculars of light. So Keys of Light, this was an interactive installation. So the pianist, whenever he plays a music and he presses any keys of the piano, there will be this musical dancing light shows on the facades of the walls and even on the garden. So basically, this installation, it symbolizes that the harmony between music, light, and the architecture. So it was very interesting to see that as he is playing the piano, and with the keys, different keys of the piano, there'll be change of light and change of music. So it was nice ambience and very relaxing to hear and see this. So it was beautiful, we like it. So I hope you love this Key of Lights. The keys of piano, when it is pressed, there is different lights and music. I hope you all love this too. So come with us to see this beautiful Keys of Light illumination, and let's see this Keys of Lights together. Come with us. Hope you also love it.